Hi, so in this video I want to show you how to use subfolders in Superpower ChatGPT. So before we start, you need to have the Superpower ChatGPT extension installed. To get Superpower ChatGPT, go to spchatgpt.com. Here, click on Add to Chrome. When you go to this page, there's a button that says Add to Chrome. We already have the extension, so you don't see it. But once you add it to Chrome, you can go back to ChatGPT. And as you can see, we already have the extension installed. You can see the folders on the left side. You can see the tone, style, language selector at the top, and all the other features. I'm going to talk about all the other features in different videos, but today we are focusing on subfolders. So with Superpower ChatGPT, you can create folders and subfolders to organize your conversation. The way to do that is, first way you can do that is just going here. You can click on this button to create a new folder. Once I click on it, we'll add a new folder here. I'm going to just call it new folder. If I click on this folder, it will load the folder. As you can see, there is no conversation or folders in here. So what I can do is I can just click on this, add a new folder here. I'm going to call it subfolder, and I can go back, then go inside here, and you can see that subfolder is here. Another way to create subfolder is if I click here, there is a button that says add subfolders. If I click on that, it will automatically go here, add a new subfolder, put it in here, and I can just use that subfolders. All subfolders by default have the same color as their parents to make it easier to organize and know where you are in the subfolders. But you can always change the color of the folder if you want to. You can always move folders and subfolders into other folders. So for example, if I want to move this one, I can say click on move folder, and then go here, and here I can pick the folder that I want to move my subfolder to. So as you can see, I hover over any of these folders. There's a button that says move to this folder. If I want to move my folder into another subfolder, I can, for example, open this one, and here I have two subfolders here. This one, obviously, it's grayed out because it's the folder that we are moving, but I can, for example, move that folder into this subfolder. I'm going to try that. I'm going to click on this, and it's already gone. If I go to this subfolder now, you see root, new folder, subfolder, and then this new folder is where my current folder is. So I can go back and see the folder here. So again, new folder, subfolder, another new folder here. Another way to create subfolder is from the manager. We have the manager right here on the manager button on the right side. If I click on that, it will send me to the conversation manager by default, or the last tab that I visited. Here, you click on the first tab, conversation manager. You can see all of your folder here, all the conversations inside the folder. Again, here I can click on this plus button to create a new folder, or I can click on this button here and say add subfolder, and it will automatically add a subfolder under this folder for me. So that's another way to create subfolders. You can pretty much manage all of your conversation and folders from both the sidebar and inside the conversation managers, and you can move them. You can put conversations in here and all the other stuff. Oh, another thing about moving subfolder is that if I want to, so we call this the top level of our folder root. So if I want to, for example, move this folder to the root folder, to the top parent, I can click on move folder, and there's a button at the top that says move to root. If I click on that, that folder will be moved to the root level. Now I have new folder here folder, which was the subfolder that I created next to this one. So yeah, that's how you create subfolders, move them, and pretty much do anything with subfolders. Let me know if you have any question. Thank you.